Hi there folks, this is Elaine with WTI. Are you an essential oil lover? Well, I am, and I also love these rollers that I put my essential oils in. This little 6-pack is beautiful because the colors are gorgeous. I love the pastels, and I also love that they're very sparkly and shimmery. The tops go on securely and they don't leak at all. I just love being able to see when I put the oils in and how they blend together. And I appreciate that they give you all the tools that you have to fill your roller. And of course, I forgot to use the funnel, but it is there for you to use. Secure the top and you are set to go with all your essential oils. I love putting mine onto my bag so I can have it wherever I go. And the color even matches. So get yourself prepared for the fall sniffles with this great 6-pack of essential oil rollers. You will love the fact that they are very beautiful in color and festive, and you can also give them as gifts. I carry them around with me all the time, and I love them. But that's just my point of view.